is concerned for the district.
Education Minister Rakkam A. Sangma has informed that over 1,200 teachers' posts vacant in government LP schools in the state will be filled up at the earliest, and the advertisement for recruitment will be out on July 14th. Addressing a press conference on Monday, he said the government has decided to recruit these teachers as early as possible, and the advertisement for recruitment will be out on July 14th. Sangma added that all MTET passed candidates will be eligible for the posts.
More than 1,200 posts for the government LP school. Government LP school are vacant now. Teachers we have already MTET pass candidate. We have decided to recruit at the earliest possible. The former advertisement and notification will be out on Friday. Friday is on which date? We will try to finish all this process in maximum 2 months. Maybe we will try to finish before 15 August also. But I don't know. Let's work out it as possible. But we will finish all the process. We'll complete all the process in next 2 months.